Brad, you lose your...
Alright, here we are doing squats. And all you cunts will be proud. I got, check this shit out. Got me a fucking belt. Got my own fucking knee sleeves. I definitely gotta get the squat shoes though. Yeah. These fucking work shoes aren't cutting it. Maybe I'll go barefoot so I could really get fucking torn into. Woo! Alright. Here, Chris. Go ahead. Answer some of those questions coming in.
It says cookie cutter.
We're alive. We're live.
One other joint. Piss. It's piss.
Got the squat master.
Brad, you lose, you can't squat.
You don't have to.
Is he live right now?
Yeah, go ahead, you take it.
Andrew knows which questions.
My first question is, Brad, would you like to borrow my old gloves while you're at it?
Yeah, bring those. I'll wear those next.
You got the knee wraps, the belt.
Should I do these barefoot too? What do you think?
You should wear one of those.
Oh, shit, should I put a pad on here?
No. Oh, Jesus Christ.
We can get Brad one of those.
You put a pad on.
An altitude mask, my old gloves.
There you go.
Your cookie cutter transformation is complete.
You gotta start somewhere.
Like I said before, when the student is ready, the teacher will appear. Brad, what motivated you to start squatting heavy again?
Because I got chicken legs.
Is it this guy?
Yeah.
The old samurai warrior here? Look at this shit. God damn.
7 years old.
57.
Look at the cannonball calves this fucking guy's got. Andrew's waiting for your penis to pop out.
Freshly shaved. I like it. Nice and smooth. You going heavier? Going heavier?
More.
It's like 6 sets already.
Yeah, and so just, like I said, make them perfect so that that it's horizontal,
The mailman shorts come in handy.
Yeah. Yeah, great. Actually, everyone should wear those.
And no, I don't have Parkinson's disease. Yeah, because I'm in between sets curling. So.
Andrew, do you have no food in your stomach?
What?
Do you have any food in your stomach?
I have some Honey Nut Cheerios in my stomach.
It must be the clang.
That's right. It's the Parkinson's and the Clang combined. Yeah.
What are you going up to, Brad? 300? 250. Oh, you go. What? 315. 315, okay. Okay, yeah. One really good.
You get more than one. You did it like 4 times the other day.
No, I did it twice, but it wasn't all the way through. They were saying Lenny reps out there.
This is set number 6, man.
Did you see? There's a video on Instagram. I think LeBron James posted it, where he's squatting, and people are saying he was doing Lenny reps because he wasn't going all the way down. Yeah. I think if you go to LeBron James's Instagram, he's got those big.
His favorite player.
He's got those big CrossFit plates on, and he's doing Lenny reps. So everyone go.
Those plates are those really?
Yeah. They're not 45 pounds though, right?
They're to drop this so that when you do like cleans or something, you can drop them when they bounce. But everyone gets into them because they.
I've never been to a gym with those in it.
Then they make the real Olinko plates, which are steel and they're this big and they're heavy as fuck.
Yonatan Al-Kobi. There's your shout out. Yonatan Al-Kobi. What is up? Everyone go to LeBron James's Instagram and call him out for doing Lenny reps on his set of squats.
Meanwhile, he can jump 9 feet in the air, so I
yeah.
to call him out.
He's still doing Lenny reps.
Everybody gets hate, man.
Yeah.
It's just the way it is.
Make sure you completely rest. This kind of shit, don't fuck around.
Yeah. See, I didn't squat for fucking, what was it, 9 years.
Wow.
Since 2007. I didn't start squatting until 2 years ago, but I've always gone very light because I have the bulging L405. In 2007, I got T-boned at work. Fucked me up.
He got teabagged at work. I was wondering, can I borrow your wrist wraps to do a set of push-ups?
Yes, you may.
Thanks.
Reverse the grip.
Yeah.
No, but before the doctor said don't put weight on your back.
Yeah. Well,
because it hurt. Like the deadlifts and rack pulls actually feel good on my back. My spine gets, but this tomorrow I'll be shot.
Really?
2 days. But I'm trying to work.
Yeah. Well, that's why that's what.
Yes, I've seen the troll shout outs to Jason. They're hysterical. You got to hit him up with more. See more butts, ejaculation. Keep up the good work, guys.
Like that, he broke a little vertebrae in his back. He had a little hairline fracture. The doctor says, what do you mean he squats? Don't have him squat. And then in the next breath, he said, does he play football? Like with him, he's so happy about it. I go, you know, they both can be bad. Right. But since then, he squats now, and it's not a problem. It's an occasional back problem, but as long as you stay tight, that's what's most important. Yeah.
Back brace helps too.
And don't squat if it hurts.
Brad should get an inversion table. I hear those. You do have one?
Yeah, I have.
Does it work?
It's great.
You gotta get in it.
I actually have it. I haven't used it in a while.
Sean used that to recover from his broken neck. You guys remember Sean from the old videos? He broke his neck and
Chiropractors are horseshit. You get an inversion table, that thing works.
Right.
I have one.
A chiropractor.
I still get the pain.
If
I'm driving for more than, if I'm sitting for more than a half hour, I get pain down my fucking.
Would you take over? I gotta do a set.
Sure.
Thanks.
Yeah, that sitting in a car thing. Well, driving down here would fucking kill me.
I have to like stop and stretch and shit. That's why the route that I have is mostly this one.
In and out, yeah.
Because if I have a route that's all curbside when I'm sitting, I'm fucked. Like,
okay.
There's a lot of them you'll sit for an hour, and then I get out and I'm like, fuck, I can't even stand up.
Yeah. I get out like I'm 1,000 years old out of the car after a long trip.
That's why I didn't do this shit for years, but I like it. I used to do it before. And then my legs went to shit because for fucking 9 years I didn't do anything.
Yeah, that's.
I mean, leg press is okay, but that can.
Well, that's why you can do what you do now, because you do leg press and you have.
Leg press, if I go
past,
like,
yeah.
I can feel it in my hip.
I tell you, I saw a guy the other day. He came over and borrowed one of them pussy pad things. Okay, well that's what we call it, right? But he put it in his low back as he sat on the leg press, and I thought, well, shit, that's probably the only place it's good for is that fucking thing. So it fills in the gap, right? I figured it couldn't hurt. Get back in, great. So,
you want to do one, two if I feel.
Yeah, if you feel really strong, do the second, but make sure the first is good. So descend with purpose and know what you're doing. So nice and tight, deep breath. Try it out.
There you go.
That's good, Brad. You're doing this here. Shit, that one was better. Very, very good.
What do you think, Coast?
Yeah, he's getting it fast. Really fast.
Coast Chris has a nice ring to it.
Coast Chris. Help me.
Hey, Noah made you fly down to Delray Beach, pal.
I drove down. It's even worse. I had plenty of time to think about that.
You should have. Once you hit Virginia, you should have made a U-turn, headed back north.
What was it after one post, and you already got to block people?
Are you serious?
Yeah, well, it wasn't from Delray.
All right.
Something else. I mean, I don't think it was. It was a while ago. But it was from the last time.
Oh, okay.
So it could have been. I don't know. Some of the stuff he said was funny. I just said it's enough. I can't take no more.
You done?
Finished.
That was excellent.
Now maybe I'll go do some cardio for Jay.
Why don't you put...
I hope Jay likes that better than the rack pulls.
You should see if you can rig bands on the life cycle bike somehow. Make the pedaling harder. Yeah, that'd be great.
Bands around.
I wonder if anyone's ever done that.
No shit.
All right, are we out of here?
I'll talk to these idiots for
There you go.
I'm leaving them like 12 minutes.
I love it. They love when you abuse them.
That was good.
Stray strength 560. That's not Andrew Clore. He's 650, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're not this.
Let's see what Andrew's lifting.
Yeah. I'm out of here, so this stuff is...
Yeah, you can leave that shit.
See you guys tomorrow.
Nobody's gonna steal my fucking belt. Yeah, I'll be here tomorrow. Friday, I might be off Friday, so I might come a little bit later.